621, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Carroll, Clinton, Howard, Tippecanoe, and Warren, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NWR weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest